Today I tried something with Bofrot or Bofrot butter, and honestly, I did not expect this result. We all know the classic Ghana Bofrot or Toogbei, deep fried into soft, fluffy balls. But what happens when you fry the same butter like pancakes? So I did my search on YouTube, and this happens to be the first ever YouTube puff puff pancake video. Clock it. Let's get started. So, of course, I've already mixed my butter. So, if you missed the video of my instant puff puff mix, do check that out. Okay, I'll leave that link in the description box. But I made this mixture a bit runny because, of course, we are looking at pancake style. Okay, and I've added some oil into my frying pan. I'm going to go ahead and fry my mixture or butter. So in the beginning, I was a bit scared that the mixture will stick into the pan. So I think I used a bit too much oil, but you can just brush the oil onto the frying pan and then you're good to go. Okay. And also, I wet the base of my ladle and then I used it to flatten it out a bit to get the traditional roundish kind of shapes your pancakes usually have. And also, I'm frying this on low heat. I didn't want a situation whereby to cook too fast, but this is thinner than the usual puff puff or togbe or bofrot. So, of course, it's going to take lesser time. And depending on how brown you want your puff puff pancakes to be, feel free to leave it on the fire for as long as you wish. Okay. When I did this first one, right, I was overjoyed. I'm like, what? I couldn't believe that this came out the way it did. I was so happy. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Yasmi. Once in a while, I make these experiments in my kitchen. You're welcome to subscribe and join this amazing blooming family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch me. At this point, please give this video a thumbs up because shall I try, okay? And I know I could have been using a spoon to scoop the butter into the frying pan, but like I thought to be honest, I didn't know what I was thinking, but I just wanted to use my hand and then we move, okay. So yeah, this is the second one I'm frying, and I didn't add any more oil because like I said in the beginning, I realized that the oil I started with was a bit much. So it was enough to fry all the buffalo pancakes that I wanted to fry, okay. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this video already. And see, are you not tired of always doing the same thing over and over and over again? This is why this recipe came about in the first place, okay? And trust me, the inside is still soft, but of course, the texture is less fluffy and less stretchy. And though you can enjoy these pancakes as it is, look at what I decided to do with mine. Yes, I don't know what to even call it. Bofrot or puff puff tacos. See, I really enjoyed this. So of course, instead of deep frying your bofrot butter, you can as well shallow fry it. Okay, it also cooks faster, and just by flipping, you are done with these pancakes. You can also add some bananas or apples or any fruits of choice to make it more pancake like. Also drizzle honey or chocolate syrup to give it a dessert vibe. Or you can also serve with eggs or sausages for a filling breakfast. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, share on your way out, and as always, remember to keep blooming.